You just encountered God in amazing ways at CIY, and you've answered the call to pursue ministry. So now what? Figuring out exactly what God wants you to do can be tough and a bit intimidating. That's why CIY and Central Christian College of the Bible are teaming up to bring you Pursue, a 3-day event built around your CIY experience and developed with your calling in mind. We invite you to join other students who are exploring what it looks like to follow God and pursue a life of kingdom ministry. With workshops designed to help you discern which type of ministry is right for you, what it takes to pursue that ministry, and how to continue developing your own faith while learning how to lead others to do the same. Within every calling, there is always equipping, and Central wants to help equip you. Join us October 11th through the 13th as we pursue this calling together. Register by visiting cccb.edu/pursue, because we can't wait to take the next step of this journey with you.